Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. If you've never visited before, it's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper foundation repair that's done correctly the first time. So again, YouTube and Facebook, King Piers LLC. But today, we're out here with another showcase on our project in Lee Summit, Missouri. We are getting very close to completion on this project. We are in the process of getting the backfill started on the front and the back of the house. These are the two walls that we straightened, the back wall here and the front foundation wall over here. And we're in the process now of also getting the cracks sealed on the floor. We still have to get the seam where the wall and the floor meet, so that'll be done probably tomorrow. We've gone ahead and sealed the saw cut seams where we installed our wall braces. So again, just to give everyone a brief overview of this project, again, this is one of our four-step, full-scope foundation repair projects, straightening the wall, bracing it, piering it, and the final crack repair. So right now we are, again, getting the backfill taken care of. We got our piers installed yesterday, finished that up, encased all of them in high-strength concrete right up to the top of the footing, so this foundation will not shift. Again, it will not settle. Not only that, we have straightened the front and the back foundation walls back to vertical. The braces that you see here will ensure that the walls remain vertical. And again, we always like to point out how we make sure to really overkill on making sure that our wall braces are secured in place. The bottom ends are roughly 4 inches below the floor, right on top of the footing, encased in, again, high-strength concrete mortar. The upper ends, as you can see here, we come in with some new wood, new treated wood, 6x6s. We bolt everything from the side just to really reinforce the installation there, so these suckers will not move again. And then we're just on the cleanup stage right now, getting all the cracks sealed. Should be able to have all of the floor work done probably tomorrow morning. Just a few more bottles of polyurethane to seal where the wall and the floor meet, and that will be taken care of. On the outside, we've already sealed all the cracks with epoxy, and then a layer of polyurethane over the epoxy, and then finally commercial foundation tar. So that's all good now, and now we can roll right into to backfill and try to get that yard looking as nice and neat as we possibly can. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels, King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone, 1-816-288-4373.